In the early days of my career, I found myself working with a young couple, Sarah and John, who were on the brink of realizing their dream of homeownership. However, their dream was challenged by the monumental task of saving for a down payment. Their story, as I came to learn, was not uncommon. The path to homeownership is often obstructed by the hurdle of the down payment, a financial challenge that can seem insurmountable. The down payment is not just about setting aside a large sum of money. It's about strategic financial planning and a deep understanding of the real estate market. The struggle of juggling everyday expenses, student loans, and the dream of owning a home is a narrative that resonates with many. An effective approach to this challenge starts with creating a comprehensive budget. It involves detailing your income streams and categorizing your expenses into essentials and non-essentials. This exercise will provide a clear picture of your spending habits, making it easier to spot areas of potential savings. In today's digital age, there are numerous budgeting tools and apps that can simplify this process. They can automatically categorize your expenses, providing valuable insights into your financial habits. Next, automate your savings. Consider it a recurring bill that requires regular payment. This ensures consistent savings growth. Consider depositing your savings into a high-interest savings account. This strategy offers a safe way to grow your money without the inherent risks of stock market investments. Setting realistic savings goals is also crucial. The goal should be challenging yet achievable. And remember, every small saving counts. Budgets are not static. They need to be flexible and evolve with changing circumstances. Regularly review and adjust your budget, whether it's increasing your savings rate or further cutting back on non-essential expenses. Identify areas where you can reduce spending. Dining out less and opting for home-cooked meals, for instance, can save a significant amount of money. Evaluate your subscriptions and memberships. Are they all necessary and worth their cost? There may also be opportunities to temporarily reduce substantial expenses. This could mean moving into a cheaper rental or choosing a more economical vehicle. Learn to differentiate between wants and needs. While it's important to treat yourself occasionally, frequent indulgences can seriously dent your savings. Lastly, seek ways to increase your income. This could be through negotiating a raise, starting a side hustle, or monetizing a hobby. An additional income stream can significantly accelerate your down payment savings. In conclusion, the journey to homeownership may seem daunting, but with strategic financial planning and discipline, the dream of owning a home can become a reality. Remember, every step, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goal. And as I've learned from my 2 decades in real estate, the journey is just as important as the destination.